minister in the Ministry of Shipping, I know how important this bill is to encourage Make in India, to grow our economy, and मैं कुछ आंकड़े सदन के सामने रखना चाहूंगा। 1 liter of fuel moves 24 tons of cargo per kilometer by road. It moves 95 tons of cargo per kilometer by rail, but 215 tons of cargo per kilometer by water. And सड़क से 1 टन कार्गो को 1 किलोमीटर ले जाने का खर्च 3 रुपया है, रेल से 1.5 रुपया है, वाटरवेज से केवल 20 पैसे है। इसलिए जब हम ट्रक्स या रेल से कार्गो को शिप्स में डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं, इसका सबसे ज्यादा फायदा केवल हम पैसे नहीं बचा रहे, एक प्रकार से हमारी एनवायरनमेंट, पर्यावरण को भी बचा रहे। और मैं सरकार को और खास करके हमारे आदरणीय यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी को इसलिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि हमारे कोस्टल शिपिंग और इनलैंड वाटरवेज पिछले 10 वर्षों में वी हैव सीन अ सी चेंज इन ग्रोइंग दिस सेक्टर। 10 years ago there were only 5 national waterways. Today there are 26 national waterways. 10 years ago only 18 million tons of cargo were being moved on national waterways. Today, a decade later, 133 million tons of cargo are being moved on national waterways. मैं मंत्री जी को इसलिए भी बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि today waterways only constitute 2% of our transport mix. मंत्री जी का जो विजन है, केंद्र सरकार और मोदी जी का जो विजन है कि हमारे inland waterways, as per Maritime India Vision 2030, to take our waterway mix to 5% of our total transportation mix. This will improve Make in India, will make costs cheaper, will benefit our farmers, and will allow us to grow our manufacturing base. With these words, once again, मेरी पार्टी की तरफ से मैं इस बिल को बहुत बहुत सपोर्ट करता हूं। हमारे मंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई।
धन्यवाद देवराज। श्री मोकरिया राम भाई, श्री मोकरिया राम भाई। मोकरिया राम भाई।
सर, ये सब बिल को मैं समर्थन करता हूँ और इसको भगवान सद्बुद्धि दे और मेरे को काम नहीं करना देते, इसको काम करने के सद्बुद्धि, वरना जो है वो भी यहाँ से चले जाएंगे। वो मेरे को विरोध पक्ष तो चाहिए लेकिन वो समझते नहीं है, कीमती समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं सरकार का और प्रजा ने इसको भेजा है अपने पक्ष रखने के लिए, वो समझते नहीं है। मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है इसको क्षमा कर दी।
डॉक्टर फौजिया खान, डॉक्टर फौजिया खान नोट प्रेजेंट। श्री ब्रिजलाल।
धन्यवाद डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, आपने मुझे द कोस्टल शिपिंग बिल 2025 पर बोलने का मौका दिया। महोदय, हमारी कोस्टल लाइन है 7516.6 किलोमीटर, ये हमारी कोस्टल लाइन है और हमारा 95% जो ट्रेड है वो शिप से होता है, जो और बाई वॉल्यूम 95% और बाई वैल्यू इट इज 77%। महोदय, मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि नए नए पोर्ट बन रहे हैं और ये बिल जो है जो लाया गया है ये शिपिंग में बहुत बड़ा कारगर होगा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं मंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। धन्यवाद सर।
तिवारी जी, हाउस ऑर्डर में नहीं है, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर कैसे होगा? हाउस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर। ये बैठ जाए हाउस ऑर्डर में आप अलाउ, मैं अलाउ करूंगा। वैसे तो माननीय तिवारी जी, वैसे तो इसमें पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर होता नहीं है, लेकिन आप वरिष्ठ है, आप उठा रहे हैं तो उठा लीजिए।
0.25
आप बैठे चलिए।
258 सर, 258 औचित्य का प्रश्न। सर, ये सदन जिसका गठन हुआ है राज्यसभा का, मैं औचित्य का प्रश्न उठाते हुए ये सवाल उठाना चाहता हूं कि आप वहां बैठे हैं, हम यहां बैठे हैं, ये सदन चल रहा है, ये नियमावली से चल रहा है। मैं आपसे स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, आपके माध्यम से पूछना चाहता हूं कि मान्यवर, जब
हमको निर्वाचित करना होता है तो सम्मानित विधायक गण हमको मतदान करते हैं। आपको भी किया है, हमको भी किया है सर। मेरा सिर्फ ये कहना है कि अगर SIR के तहत चोरी हो जाएगी और मतदाता सूची में डकैती बढ़ जाएगी, लोकतंत्र की
प्ले कार्ड्स आर प्रोहिबिटेड इनसाइड द पार्लियामेंट। ये माने नो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर, नो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर। श्रीमस्तान राव बीड़ा प्लीज कृपया बैठ जाए।
सर, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी। सर, I like today on behalf of Telugu Party and our leader Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu to express my wholehearted support for the Coastal Shipping Bill 2025. And I began by commending the Honorable Minister of Port, Shipping and Waterways, Sri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, for bringing forward this landmark legislation bill. Sir, as someone who hails from a coastal region of Andhra Pradesh and has spent decades working for the development of our port infrastructure and fishing communities, I know how deeply maritime connectivity shapes the destiny of our economy, livelihoods and logistics.
माननीय सदस्य श्रीमती ममता ठाकुर जी,
independent India history of coastal shipping, its own legal identity, liberating it from the outdated confines of the Merchant Shipping Act of 1958, sir. And in doing so, it sends a strong message. India's maritime future will not just be deep sea and global, it will also be local, coastal and regional. Why this bill matters? Dedicated law for domestic and maritime growth. Okay, sir. East of doing coastal business, sir, and empowering Indian vessels and workers, maritime security and oversight. Okay, sir. With this, I support this bill wholeheartedly on behalf of Telugu Desam Party and our leader, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu.
Sri Virendra Bes.
Sir, I raise here today to speak on coastal shipping bill on behalf of Assam Gana Parishad and my party President Atul Vora. Sir, this I raise here to support the bill for the people because this bill has this bill is
श्रीमती ममता ठाकुर
farmers.
श्रीमती ममता ठाकुर गलत कर रही है। ये पोस्टर नहीं चलेगा, गलत है।
This bill is for protection of the farmers. आपको protection के लिए बोल रहा है। This bill is environment friendly bill. So I totally support the bill.
Sri Sarbanand Sonowal to reply the discussion.
Respected sir, I am sincerely grateful to Srimati Darshana Singh ji, Gola Baburao ji, Dr. M. Thembudadai, Srimati Dr. Kalpana Saini ji, Sri Milind Murli Dora ji, Sri Rambhai Haji Bhai Mukherjee, Sri Bijlal ji, Sri Mastan Rao Jadab Beda ji, और वीरेंद्र बैश्य जी for their kind support to this bill. As you know, this is a very significant reform initiative under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, which has particularly unlocked the full potential of India's vast and strategic coastline, which stretches over 11,098 kilometers across 9 coastal states and 4 union territories. To support the goal of growing India's coastal cargo share to 230 million metric ton by 2030, we need a framework that minimizes regulation while maximizing facilitation of growth opportunity in coastal trade. The Coastal Shipping Bill 2025 is designed to make coastal trade easier, more competitive and better integrated with India's overall transport vision. Sir, presently regulation and licensing of coastal shipping is governed by Part 14 of the Merchant Shipping Act 1958. The current bill provides a holistic forward-looking and progressive legal framework suited to today's commercial realities in line with the globally prevalent cabotage practices. This bill is a part of the larger vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to undertake a series of legal reform which in the past 11 years have led to increased growth and developmental of maritime and shipping sector. Honorable Sir, this bill contains 6 chapters and 42 clauses that mainly consist of provisions of licensing and regulations of foreign vessels in coastal trade, formulations of national coastal and inland shipping strategic plan, creation of a national database for coastal shipping. This bill will reduce the compliance burden for Indian ships in line with the mission of ease of doing business. It greater numbers of Indian ships handle cargo. It will ensure supply chain security for the country. This is very significant. Supply chain security for the country, prevent escapement of countries' foreign exchange by reduced dependence on foreign ships, and enable creation of blooming local economy with versatile employment opportunity. Easy accessibility to authentic and periodically updated data through the national database on coastal shipping, along with information of the strategic plan for the development of infrastructure on coastal and inland routes, will keep potential investors better informed about the development plan and policy priority of the government in the sector. Sir, with this, I want to request you, sir, this bill is very significant bills, very important, very reformative like kind of initiative, and I believe the members of the House will definitely help this bill to pass.
The question is that the Coastal Shipping Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Dr. John Bitas, are you moving? Not moving. I shall now put clause 2 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 2 is adopted. Clause 3 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Dr. John Bitas, you are moving the amendment?
Sir, no. Allow discussion as SIR. Then I will move. Allow discussion as SIR.
The amendment is not moved. I shall now put clause 3 to vote. Those in favor will say please aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 3 is adopted. Clause 4 and 5 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 4 and 5 are adopted. Clause 6 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Number 1 by Dr. Fozia Khan. Not present. I shall now put clause 6 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 6 is adopted. Clause 7 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 7 is adopted. Clause 8 stands part of the bill. There are 2 amendments. One by Dr. John Bitas. Not moving.
Sir. Allow SIR. Allow.
I shall now put clause 8 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 8 is adopted. Clause 9 stands part of the bill. There are two amendments. Dr. Fawzia Khan, not present. I shall now put clause 9 to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against the bill, please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause no is adopted. Clause 10 stands part of the bill. There are two amendments. 8 and 9 by Dr. John Bittas. Not moved.
Sir,
I shall now put clause 10 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 10 is adopted. Clause 11 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Dr. John Bittas.
sir,
Not moving.
allow me to. Sir, allow discussion as SIR. Then I will move. SIR.
I shall now put clause 11 to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 11 is adopted.